Good morning, my dear friends. In this video, we'll be doing exercise 3.2. We have done in the previous video exercise 3.1, in which we discuss about properties of matrices. So hopefully we'll apply over here. We'll do some practical examples. So coming up in front of you, exercise 3.2 NCERT. Let's start. Now, question number 12 says that if fx equals to cos x, sin x and 0, and this is minus sin x, cos x and 0 and 0, 0, 1, this one is there, okay. Show that f of x and f of y equals to f of x plus y. So this matrix is there. Now wherever x is there, you put x, wherever y is there, put y. So this will become what? Cos x minus sin x and 0 and sin x, cos x and 0, 0, 0, 1. This multiplied by the same thing, but y is there. Function is in y, minus sin y and 0, sin y, cos y and 0, 0, 0, 1. Okay. Now you multiply these two. What was the rule of multiplication? This into this, multiply. So this will become cos x cos y, then minus sin x sin y, plus 0. The second one will be, this will be multiplied by this, cos x, this will become minus, just a minute, minus cos this. I'm doing this again just to create more space. So this will become cos x cos y minus sin x sin y, then this will do this by this, okay. So minus cos x sin y, then this by this, minus sin x cos y plus 0, then when we multiply it by this, what happens? It becomes all 0. Second, this, so sin x cos y plus cos x sin y plus 0, and then this by this, sin x sin y, and this will be negative, and then plus cos x cos y plus 0, and third one, everything will come 0. Third one will come 0 in third case also. This one 0, 0, 0, so plus all 0, 0 plus 0 plus 0, and the third one will come, oh, this will come, this is coming 1, okay. Now this is the formula of cos x plus y, second one is the formula of minus sin x plus y, and third is 0, so this is 0, this is sin x plus y, and this is cos x plus y, and this is 0, and this is 0, 0, 1. So you can see the same thing is there, but the function is in x plus y. Got it? That's it. Simple. Multiplication was there. Simple multiplication. You should write in bracket. A few things if I miss out, you should bring quality in that. Okay. Let's move on to the next question. Question number 14. Show that 5, 6, minus 1 and 7 and 2, 1, 3, 4 is not equal to 2, 1, 3, 4, 5, minus 1, 6 and 7. So what we do? We multiply first. Remember this rule. 5 into 2 plus minus 1 into 3. Then 5 into 1 plus minus 4 into 4. This is left hand side. Let's see. 6 into 2 plus 7 into 3. Then 6 into 1 plus 7 into 4. Okay, what happens? This becomes 10. Let's do it directly. 10 minus how much? 10 minus 3 is how much? It's 7. 7, and this comes how much? 70, 21 and 6 4 30. This comes 33. This comes 5, and 5 minus 4 1. Yes, and this comes how much? 7 4 28 plus 6 28 plus 6 34. This is left hand side. Now shall we solve RHS? This was LHS. Now RHS. Do you have space over here? No. Okay, we have to compromise with that. 2 into 5 plus 1 into 6. I'm solving RHS. Then 2 into minus 1 plus 1 into 7. Then this one. 2 into 5 and 1. I'm checking. A small mistake can cost a lot. 5 plus 4 into 6, and this will be 3 into minus 1 plus 4 into 7. So this will become 10 plus 6 16. Yes, this will become 16. 6 4 is 24, 5 3 is 15, 19, 39, and this will become how much? Minus 2, and 7 minus 2 is 5. And this is 7 4 is 28, minus 3 25. So this is not coming equal. LHS is not equal to RHS. Okay, these two are not coming equal. Got it? There's also second part of the same question. You can do it. It says in the same pattern, no differences there. So let's do it. Why to leave something? 1 0 1 2 1 1 3 0 0. This one is there, and minus 1 1 0 0 minus 1 1 2 3 4. This is there. This is not equal to the same thing. Order is different. Minus 1 1 0 0 minus 1 1 2 3 4 multiplied by 1 2 3 0 1 0 1 1 0. Okay, let's LHS. Let's multiply. 1 into minus 1 plus 2 into 0 plus 3 into 2. Then this by second. 1 into 1 plus 2 into minus 1 plus 3 into 3. Then third. 1 into 0 plus 2 into 1 plus 3 into 4. Okay. second one 0 into minus 1 plus 1 into 0 plus 0 into 2. Remember, we are multiplying this and this. The next 0 into 1 plus 1 into minus 1 plus 0 into 3. Then this by this 0 into 0 plus 1 into 1 plus 0 into 4. Then 1 into minus 1 plus 1 into 0 plus 0 into 2. The second one will be 1 into 1 plus 1 into minus 1 plus 0 into 3. Next 1 into 0 plus 1 into 1 plus 0 into 4. Left hand side I am solving, right? You can do it. It will come. How much this will come? 3 2s are 6 and this will be 0 minus 1 5. Second 3 3s are 9 plus 1 10 minus 2 8. Third 3 4s are 12 plus 2 14, because this will be 0 0 0 and 0. Okay, this has made life easy comparatively. 0 0 and minus 1. Wow, good. This will be 1. So minus 1 and this will be what? 0 and okay, this will be 0. This will be 1. This is LHS. Now let's do RHS. I don't think so space is sufficient enough. So let's move on to the next page. I'll write it over here. 1 0 0 minus 1 1 2 3 4. This one is 1 2 3 0 1 0 1 1 0. So we multiply it. Yes, let's go. Use this method. Minus 1 into 1 plus 1 into 0 plus 0 into 1. And this by second one, minus 1 into 2 plus 1 into 1 plus 0 into 1. The third one, minus 1 into 3 plus 1 into 0 plus 0 into 0. Got it? Simple. Second also you do 0 into 1 plus minus 1 into 0 plus 1 into 1, and this by second 0 into 2 plus minus 1 into 1 plus 1 into 1, then this by second 0 into 3 plus minus 1 into 0 plus 1 into 0. Now third one, 2 into 1 plus 3 into 0 plus 4 into 1, and this one 2 into 2 plus 3 into 1 plus 4 into 1, and this one 2 into 3 plus 3 into 0 plus 4 into 0. Solve it. How much this will come? This will cancel. This will minus 1. This will be 1. This 4 to 6. Okay, this is coming different. 0. This will be a minus 2 minus 1 minus 1 and 1 0. This will be okay, and this will be 11 4 5 6 7 4 11, and this will be minus 3, and this seems to be 0. Yes, and this will be 2 is 6, and that's it. You can see now both the answers. Both the answers are totally different. This was, see, both are different. So LHS is not equal to RHS. Got it? Easy? Let's move on to the next question. This is an important question. Question number 15. Find a square minus 5a plus 6i if a equals to 2, 0, 1, 2, 1, 3, 1, minus 1, 3. Oh, 0. Let me check the question. 2, 0, 1. Okay. This is there. Now they have said first find a square. First we have to find a square. No? So how to find? We multiply these two. 2, 0, 1, 2, 1, 3, 1, minus 1, 0. Multiplied by this. Okay, multiply this. How do it? This I told you. 2 into 2 plus 0 into 2 plus 1 into 1. Okay, the first one. Second, why don't you do directly? This will become 0 and this will become 0 plus 0 and this 1 into minus 1 minus 1. Then this one 2 plus 0 plus 0. It's easier actually. Then 4 and this 1 into 2, 2 plus 3 and this one 0 plus 1 minus 3. Then this one 2 plus 3 plus 0. And this 2 minus 2 plus 0. Then this one 0 minus 1 and then 0. Okay. And this one 1 minus 3 and 0. Okay. This will be 4 plus 1, 5. Yes. Next will be 4, 3, 7, 1, 9 and this will be 0. Next one will be minus 1. This will be minus. This will be minus 2 and this will be minus 1. This will be 2, 5 and minus 2. Okay, this is the value of a square. Next we have to find out 5a. Now we can substitute easily. So let's choose another paper to do it. So this actually question was a square minus 5a plus 6i. A square has come 5, 9, 0, minus 1, minus 2, minus 1, 2, 5 and minus 2, minus 5 into, what was the value of a? 2, 0, 1, 2, 1, 3, 1, minus 1 and 0, plus 6i. Now what is I? 1, 0, 0, 0, 1, 0, 0, 0, 1. Remember? Diagonal elements are 1. We discussed this when we discussed the properties. Now let's do in one step. Why to take so many steps? This 5 and minus 10 plus 6. This is first one. Second one minus 1 and this will be 0 and this by this plus 6. Are you getting this? If you're not getting it, I am doing this separately to make it easier for you. Okay, we'll solve these two first. So it will be actually 5 minus 10 is how much? 5 minus 10, then minus 1 minus 0, and then this will be 2 minus 5, 2 minus 5, and this will be 9 minus 10, and this will be 0 minus 1, and this will be minus 1 plus 5, because negative is there, no? This will be minus 2 minus 5, and this will be 5 minus 3, 5 minus 15, yes, and this will be minus 2 minus plus 5 times are 50, yes. Why is it 50? This is 0. 5 into 0 is 0. Okay. How much do we get? Then plus this you multiply by 6. 0, 0, 0, 6, 0. This is quite simple. Next is solve this. 5 minus 10 plus 6, then minus 1 minus 0 plus 0, 2 minus 5 plus 0, 9 minus, again I have made a smaller one, 9 minus 10 plus 0, minus 2 minus 5 plus 0, and 5 minus 15 plus 0, 0 minus 1 plus 0, minus 1 plus 5 plus 0, and minus 2 plus 0 plus 6. Again we have to choose another paper. So what will be the answer? 6, 5, 11 minus 5 is 1. Okay, let me use another paper. First answer is 1. Second is what? Minus 1. Third is minus 3. Next is 9 minus 10, that is minus 1, and this is also this was 6. Yeah, this was 6. So 7 minus this was coming how much? Minus 1. Third was 5 minus 15. This was coming minus 10. Next was minus 5. This was 4, and this was also 4. Okay. So this is your final answer. Okay, finally we got answer. Got it? Now question number 16. Now 16 is exactly the same as this is there. So you can see this value of a is given. Prove that a cube minus 6a square plus 7a plus 2i equals 0. First, I am telling you a method to solve. See, first you find a into a, then you will get a square, then a square, whatever you get, you multiply by a, you will get a cube. Once you get a cube, put the value over here in this equation, and value of I you put 1 0 0 0 1 0 0 0 1, and you will get answer. Yes, the pattern is exactly the same as we have done the previous question. It's only just like first you will multiply. I am explaining once more, a cross a, So this a we will multiply by a, you will get a square, then that a square you will multiply by a, you will get a cube. Then you will put the values of a cube over here, then a square over here, 7a, 7 times a and 2 into I, and you will get answer. Simple. It will come 0. I hope so this much hard work, because this is exactly in the same pattern. Okay, best wishes. Let's move on to next question. Question number 17. A is given 3 and 4 is given, and this is minus 2 and minus 2, and I is given 1 0 0 1. You know it, the value. Find k, so that a square equals to ka minus 2i. This is there. Put the value, simple. What is a square? You multiply it twice, 3, 4, minus 2, minus 2, 3, 4, minus 2, minus 2, multiply inside 3 into 3 plus minus 2 into 4, and this one will be 3 into minus 2 plus minus 2 into minus 2. I am multiplying left hand side, remember, 4 into 3 plus minus 2 into 4, 4 into minus 2 plus minus 2 into minus 2. I have used this method, this and this. This comes how much? Multiply it. This comes 1. 4 2s are 8 and 9. 12 minus 8, how much? 4. This comes how much? 2 2s are 4 and 3 2s are 6, minus 2, and this comes 4 2s are 8, minus 8 and plus 4, minus 4. Yes? Okay, this was left hand side, and right hand side let us solve. This is left hand side. Now RHS will solve. RHS is what? Ka. So k times a. A is what? 3 minus 2, 4 minus 2, and then it is minus 2i. I is 1 0 0 1. Put it over here. Solve it. 3k minus 2k, then and this will become 4k minus 2k minus 2 0 0 2. Okay, let's move on with the next page. So this will become 3k minus 2 and minus 2k minus 0, 4k minus 0 and minus 2k minus 2. So we can write what? Now we can equate left hand side. This is RHS. Now LHS we can make it equal to RHS. LHS was what? LHS value was this. See, 1 minus 2, 4 and minus 4. 1 minus 2, 4 and minus 4. And what was RHS? RHS was 3k minus 2, and next was 4k, and next was minus 2k, next was minus 2k minus 2. Okay, we are about to finish this question. So equate it. We use the easier one, equals to minus 2, so k equals to 1. Got it. I have used this one. Easy? Okay, let's move on. Next is question number 18. Okay, we are very close to finishing the exercise. 22 questions. A is given 0 tan alpha by 2 minus, this is negative, and this is tan alpha by 2 and this is 0. This is the value of A, matrix A. I is identity, okay, of matrix of order 2. Show that. Showing means to prove it, okay. I plus A equals to I minus A into cos alpha sin alpha minus sin alpha cos alpha. So let's solve LHS first. LHS will be 0. LHS is I plus A. What was I? I was 1 0 0 1. We add up with 0 minus tan alpha by 2 and tan alpha by 2 and 0. 1, this will be minus tan alpha by 2. Remember, we are adding tan alpha by 2 and this will be 1. This is LHS. Now, what is RHS? 1 minus I. So, no, I minus A. Let's do on the next page. Hardly in space. So, I minus A. What was I? I was 1 0 0 1 minus A was 0 minus tan alpha by 2 and tan alpha by 2 and 0. This was there. You subtract, this will become how much? 1 and this will tan alpha by 2 and this will become tan alpha by 2 and this will become 1. Okay. Now, this RHS, we are doing RHS now. Now, RHS says that 1 I minus A into cos alpha and minus sin alpha and sin alpha and cos alpha. So, we need to multiply. Yes? Multiply inside. What was I? Put the value first. 1 tan alpha by 2, tan alpha by 2 and 1. What makes me use this? And cos alpha, sin alpha, minus sin alpha and cos alpha. Multiply inside. Now this will become what? Cos alpha plus tan alpha by 2 sin alpha, and then this will become minus sin alpha tan alpha by 2 cos alpha. Next, this minus tan you can multiply this. One thing, this was minus over here. I missed out over here, this minus. Huh? It's minus. Okay. Because once we multiply, then we minus tan alpha by 2 and cos alpha plus sin alpha. Okay. This will be also minus 1. This will be 1 only. Are you clear with this? Yes, this one will multiply with this, so it becomes sine alpha tan alpha by 2 plus cos alpha. Okay, now you have to use this tan alpha by 2, you can do conversion, cos alpha plus sine alpha by 2 upon cos alpha by 2 and sine alpha, correct? In the same way over here, minus sine alpha by 2 upon cos alpha by 2 cos alpha plus sine alpha, and this side it will become what? Minus sine alpha there was sine also over here. This was plus over here. I missed out this plus over here. And same over here. This is there. Okay. Plus sine alpha by 2 cos alpha by 2, and this will become cos alpha. Okay. This sine alpha, tan you can change, sine alpha by 2 upon cos alpha by 2 plus cos alpha. Question is simple, just a conversion is there. What else? Because you have no other option you are left with. Okay, shall we move on? Are you clear with this? What we have done? We have just done conversion, and this makes the process simple, rather more simple. Now, can we take LCM? They are just taking LCM. That's it. That's it. We will be using this page. So this will be cos alpha by 2 plus sine alpha by 2 sine alpha upon cos alpha by 2, and down also again I have made a smaller one. This will be minus cos alpha sine alpha by 2 plus cos alpha by 2 sine alpha upon cos alpha by 2. Second one, same over here, minus sine alpha cos alpha by 2 plus sine alpha by 2 cos alpha upon cos alpha by 2 on sine alpha by 2 plus cos alpha by 2 cos alpha upon cos alpha by 2. Clear? And you can close this. Now, this becomes a formula. See, cos A sin B sin A cos B plus cos A minus cos A, cos alpha minus alpha by 2 upon cos alpha by 2, and this side, this also becomes formula. Yes, minus sine alpha minus alpha by 2, and this is nothing. This is just a division I was explaining. There is nothing like this. This is to upon. Yes, this is upon. Upon cos, this will be upon 2. Okay, next upon down one will become what? Let's check. Sine, sine, this is sine A cos B minus con alpha minus alpha by 2 upon cos alpha by 2, this is upon, on the side it will be cos alpha minus alpha by 2, yes, upon cos alpha by 2. And now we got it. See, still here. See, you can see this now. And what were you supposed to prove? What was the left hand side? Yes, got it? We get what? This, if you solve it, you'll get 1. This will come tan alpha by 2, and this will come minus tan alpha by 2, and this will come 1. Are you clear with this? Think about it. Yes, are you clear with this? Any problem? Just think, just go through each step. Yes. What was the left hand side? See, left hand side we have done in the previous page, this one, this was there, and right hand side is this. So both are coming the same. So we can say LHS equals to RHS. That's it. Got it. Sign of happiness. Okay. Very good question. I like the question. Next is a word problem. Question number 19. Let me write this word problem. A trust fund has rupees 30,000 that must be invested in 2 different types of bond. Now, I am not writing complete answer. Now, the question says that, see, you can see this question, trust fund has rupees 30,000 that must be invested in 2 different types of bond. The first bond pays 5%, whereas the second bond pays 7%. Using matrix multiplication, determine how to divide rupees 30,000 into 2 types of bond if the trust fund must obtain a total income interest of rupees 1,800. Now, so first part says that the total income is 1,800. 18,000, I don't know, 1,800, and second part is rupees 2,000. You can go through this question from the book, otherwise this page will fill up. I'm reading this question once more for you. The trust has 3,000 rupees. Okay. Now suppose normally what we do, let the first investment be, let first investment meant be X. The second will be how much? 30,000 minus X, correct? Yes or no? Now, so first one is X and second is 30,000 minus X. How much they are giving? Interest, how much? Huh? They are giving 5%. And second is giving 7%. Yes, no? And how much is interest coming out? Interest is coming 18,000. 1,800. Yes. So what is this? This is the investment. 2 investment are there. One is X and one is 30,000. And what is this? 5% interest rate of interest, and this is what? This is interest. That is interest. Okay, let's solve. Now solve it. It's simple. How do we solve? X into 5% plus 30,000 minus X into 7% equals to 18. So 5x upon 100 plus 7x upon 7 into this is 30,000 minus x upon 100 equals to 1800. Take out LCM. 5x plus 21. How many zeros are there? 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Minus 7x equals to 18,000. Transfer this side and subtract. So minus 2x, 1500. So x will be how much? 15,000. Yes, the first one is 15,000. Suppose second one will be also 15,000. Okay? 5. People often mistake. Correct? So these two are answers. Alright? I hope so you understood this question. This was quite simple question. Now another question, word problem you have in your NCERT book. The bookshop of a particular school has 10 dozen chemistry books, 8 dozen physics books and 10 dozen economic books. The selling price are rupees 80, rupees 60 and rupees 40 each respectively. Find the total amount the bookshop will receive from selling all the books using matrix algebra. Simple. So how many categories are there first? Think about categories. There are 3 categories. First is chemistry, second is physics and third is economics. How many are chemistry? Chemistry, let me see where. 10 dozen. 10 dozen. And this is physics are 8 dozen. And economics are 10 dozen. Okay? This is the first matrix. Second is annual, how much is it? Selling price. Yes, 10, 12, 10 dozen. Then how much is the selling price? SP per book. That is 80, 60 and 40. 3 categories are there. And what is total amount that you are supposed to find? That is X. Solve it, simple. Yeah, first you change it to dozen. This will be 120, this will be 12 8s are 96, this will be 120 again. Into 80, 60, 40. X. Solve it. 120 into 80 plus 96 into 60 plus 120 into 40 equals to X. Solve it. 12 8s are 96, 0, 0 plus 36, 3, 6, 9, 6, 7, 0, then plus 12 4s are 48, 0, 0 equals to X. Add up all 0, 0, not 0, it has to be 6, something else. 6, okay. Then you solve it, okay. Now this add up this, and this will come 4, 8, and this 6, 1, 2, 0. Okay, yes. So 20160. This is the amount. Bookshop. Okay, got it? Simple question. Clear? Just you have to frame 3 matrix and solve it. Let's move on to the next question. Next is question number 21, the second last question. Oh, this is MCQ. The restriction on n, k, p so that py plus wy will be defined are a, k equals to 3, p equals to n, b, k is arbitrary, and p equals to 2, and c part, p is arbitrary, and k is 3, and d part, k is 2 and p equals to 3. Okay. Now, once you see this question, what is order of p? Order of p will be pn into k, and order of y will be 3 into k. Order of y will be what? 3 into k, and order of p will be what? Small p into k. So py will be defined only if k is 3. Py will be defined if k equals to 3. Therefore, order of py equals to p into k. Remember, m into n we said. Now, order of w, second case, of w, n into 3, and order of y will be n into k. Yes. So therefore, py plus wy is defined. So p into k equals to n into k. Correct? This is n. So that means p equals to n. That means option A is correct. Yeah, A is correct. We have assumed this first case and it's correct. Okay, good. Got it? Let's go with another MCQ question. Very simple question. Question 22. And for your kind information, let me tell you, this is the last question of today's session. Then the order of matrix 7x minus 5z is A, p into 2, b, 2 into n, c, n into 3, and d, p into n. Yes, there are 4 options given. Now, when we add or subtract, it's very simple. When we add or subtract, what happens? Order never changes. Never changes. Yes? Therefore, what happens? Which one is correct? Therefore, order of 7x minus 5z will be equal to order of x, and will be also equal to order of z. That means equal to 2 into n. So B option is correct. Got it? So here we end up our session. We have done the entire exercise, exercise 3.2. Okay, got it? Thank you so much. So, you've understood, you've done every question of NCERT exercise 3.2 matrices. Practice it again and again, you'll be perfect. Best wishes. Take care. We'll meet again with exercise 3.3, 4, 5 and miscellaneous. Right? Best wishes. Take care. So, you've understood, you've done every question of NCERT exercise 3.2 matrices. Practice it again and again, you'll be perfect. Best wishes. Take care. We'll meet again with exercise 3.3, 4, 5 and miscellaneous. Right? Best wishes. Take care.